Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Emotional Fitness. Namaste. Today in this video I'm going to tell you about another bach flower remedy, wild oat. Now let's see which type of people would need this remedy and how this remedy can help them. Wild oat carries the vibration of purposefulness in vocation in life. It helps the person to choose a profession which would give him job satisfaction. We all go to school and then complete our graduation, and then comes the real situation where we have to choose a career. There are different options which are available in the present day, like whether to go for a job in the bank or go abroad and do a job, or start our own business either individually or in partnership, or to follow the trade of their father. Since there are different types of options which are available, it makes the person confused as to choose which type of career which would give him job satisfaction. In all such situations, wild oat will help the person to choose a career which would give him job satisfaction. Wild oat relates to the soul quality of proper occasion in life. It helps the person to find the proper job which gives proper salary for the job done and also job satisfaction. A person in the positive wild oat state feels fully satisfied in his vocation. He feels his job very interesting and is even ready to do overtime. He is not sidetracked to find for another job, however alluring it may be. In the negative state, the person is unable to find his true vocation and therefore he remains dissatisfied and unfulfilled. He is able to do any type of job and is overconfident of himself. He simply leaves a job at the drop of a feather to take up a new job. He is ambitious but does not have any true calling to take any profession to make his living. He takes up a job and makes a success of it and has a decent living. But after some days he loses the interest in this job and so he leaves it. Then he takes another job and after some days the same thing repeats and he leaves this job also. Then a third. This process repeats every now and then and he is not able to stick to any particular job which would give him job satisfaction. He goes on like a rolling stone which gathers no moss, changing places and jobs, but he is not able to stick to one particular job which would give him satisfaction. He feels that his life is slipping away, even though he is having talent, is unable to make use of it because of his dissatisfaction. He feels sad and frustrated because he is not able to stick to a particular job which gives him satisfaction even if there are lesser benefits in it. Each person are destined to do a particular type of work and their goals are set at the time of their birth. But this type of people are unable to find their goals in life and so they become very dissatisfied. For such type of persons, wild oat is a very good remedy which will help them to find their vocation in their life. Now let me explain this with an example. My uncle had graduated and he got a government job. He went for some days but somehow he couldn't find satisfaction in the job and so he changed to agriculture. He started doing agriculture work for some days and then that also he left. After that he joined with his friend and started a factory. It continued for some time but somehow that also he left. Then he started making bricks in a kiln. After some days, even he dropped that also. Then he had his own business That was continued for some time, but somehow that also he couldn't continue, and so he left that also. This went on continuing till the end, and he couldn't find a proper goal in his life which would give him satisfaction. In such type of situations, wild oat would be very helpful for such type of persons. Now let's see how children can be helped with this remedy. Children, after finishing their school, when they come out of the school, they feel so confused and feel that, oh, good heavens, how many choices are there, what we can take and what we can do. It's not that I'm not interested in these things, but I'm so confused as to what I should choose. I'm so uncertain. These children appear to be uninterested, but actually they are disoriented and they do not know what to choose. So they passively accept the choice which is made by their parents or friends or the relatives. This remedy helps teenagers who face variety of choices. For at the age of 14, it is very difficult for them to make a choice. Wild oat is deeply connected to the principles of creativity. It helps us to find the purpose, pleasure and joy in all that we do. Let me tell you a story. 3 men were cutting and transporting stones. One man came there and asked them what they were doing. The first man complained that he was doing this hard work for a meager few points of money which they were paying. The second man said that he was doing this work to support his family, and after finishing the work in the evening when he went home, he felt very happy and he did not feel the tiredness. The third man was singing and cutting and transporting the stones as if he was dancing, and he, with a smile, he said that I am building a temple for my father. This shows the difference between the same work which was done by all the three, but how they felt about the work. The third person was actually in the positive state of wild oat, and he was creating a temple which gave him job satisfaction. After taking the remedy wild oat, it helps them to gain maturity and find a purpose in life, making them responsible citizens. It gives them the confidence to choose a suitable direction. If you all like this video, like, share, comment. If you are watching this video for the first time, subscribe to my channel Emotional Fitness and click the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.